we have a new loop plugin called Loop Track by Gospel Producers. And guess what? It's free. Yep, you heard that right. It is free. So if we look in this section right here, we have the different banks, right? When you load it up, it has the default kit, which we already went over. But if you click on some of these other ones, right, you have a bank of exclusive sounds, or, you know, like Clap Bank 1, right? Whoa. There's some really interesting, like in a good way, sounds in this thing. Gospel Producers said it was 500 samples, but when you start messing with the pitch, it takes it up to another level. Snaps, my go-to. I be needing those sweeps, those drops. Yep. Yeah. Still going. That was good. Yo, it's a lot. Like, I'm actually surprised this thing is free. Gospel Producers, y'all did y'all thing with this. It's a 10 out of 10. And did I mention it's free? It's free, guys. Go grab this software, right? Test it out. You know, make some loops, add the MIDI files to the community, right? And just share the wealth, you know, and go check out some of the MIDI files that's on there already that can be downloaded, right? That's what I'm going to be doing right after this video. I'm going to make a few loops and I'm going to upload some of myself, all right? Go get this plug in and I will see you guys in the next video.